The upcoming Jordan Luka Safari, launching on September 20th for $145, continues Luka Doncic's signature storytelling tradition while embracing bold design updates. Drawing inspiration from Tinker Hatfield's 1987 Nike Air Safari, it features the iconic spotted pattern across the tongue, heel, and sides, this time in black and anthracite, a first for the Luka Safari series. Energizing accents include a striking orange pulse on the forefoot and electric green on the outsole, giving the shoe a modern edge. Personal details return, such as the triangular heel nod to Slovenia and the stitched heart inside the tongue dedicated to Luka's daughter. The model reflects how core themes endure even as fresh elements evolve, blending heritage with individuality. By balancing innovation with legacy, the Jordan Luka Safari ensures Luka's line continues to resonate with both storytelling and performance.